Hey guys, welcome to the video. We're gonna open a box from Glavery.
Say hello to my little friend.
Alright guys, what's going on? As you can see, we got a box from who, Emmy?
Gravely.
So a lot of you guys already know what this is because other people have got it and they posted it. But we're going to open our package because I like to make videos, not pictures. Let me see if I got a knife. No, that's not a knife. There we go. What do you think it is, Emmy?
I don't know.
Think it's a lawnmower?
No!
A lawnmower can fit in this box?
No! A small one will.
A small lawnmower this small? Watch your finger.
Wait, look at that. Oh! You got a backpack!
Yeah, it's a cooler. Backpack. I can put drinks and stuff in it. And your little yogurts. It has a card.
So many zippers.
Yep.
What is this?
Gravely. Happy holidays from Team Gravely. Thank you very much, Gravely.
So, as you can see,
okay, so it has a compartment up here. Compartment down here.
like
Why are you laughing like that?
Why are you laughing like that? I don't know. Isn't that so Wait.
And we got a big compartment here for lots of stuff. You put that in the box.
Is there another one on the other side? Yep, there's another one.
This is pretty awesome. As you can see, it's a full-on backpack. Has a deep pocket right here.
Oh yeah, it does.
And it has a small compartment right here.
It has two pockets right here.
This is awesome. I appreciate it greatly.
Hey, on the back. Look, there's a bubble.
Oh yeah. And cushion. A nice cushion. Nice straps. It's an igloo backpack. So you know it's official. Anywho. Thank you, Gravely. I really appreciate it. And I will definitely take this to King's Dominion or something, right?
Mm-hmm. What if we go to the pool and we bring some food?
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.